Hello guys, this is Ginger Look UK coming to you with another video, and this time I'm going to show you how I hit left and right center to achieve this beautiful look you're looking at right now. This makeup, it takes me less than 15 minutes to achieve this. So if you want to go out with Bear, you want to go out, you have an occasion and you don't want to spend too much time, you want to know the secret on how you can just mash your makeup within 15 minutes, guys, then don't go anywhere. I might not be talking too much on the video, but I'm just going to take you through how I did the makeup, and you're going to see it. You're not going to miss anything, and it's as simple as possible, very easy, minimum products, and it's so beautiful. It's really very beautiful. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like the video, don't forget to drop a comment, and let's just jump into the video, guys. I really noticed the difference because then why I was not wearing brown powder, not because I don't really like it, but it's just because whenever I try to use some products, brown powders on my face, I will end up having a lot of rash. So I just told myself that maybe my skin is not good for brown powder or so. So I just stopped using brown powder. So at the time, a friend of mine told me about black hole. Since then, I've not bothered to try any other powder, because in the past I've tried a lot, and it's just as if it was worse from one to another. Bought a lot of, I don't just want to mention products, some big brands as well, and they didn't really work on me. The same result. So I just, at the time I said maybe powder is not for me. Let me just keep on. let me just keep up with my white powder. So until I came across Black Hole, and Black Hole changed everything entirely. Like, I love it. It's one in town. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm drawing my eyebrow. But the first thing I do before drawing my eyebrow, I just try to comb it like so. Sorry if you see me looking over my cam, it's because I have a mirror behind my cam. Then I don't know if I should use nude lipstick or I should use, okay, let's go with this one. So I'm sorry, I'm not a lashes type, so I hardly wear lashes even when I'm going out. I wear lashes like once in a blue moon, so I'm going to be using my mascara. So guys, we're going to be using e.l.f. setting spray. It takes me less than 15 minutes to get this done. It's like a quick makeup, and it's something like when you go out, they will think maybe you spend 1 hour putting all this together, but it take me less than 15 minutes to put this up together, and it really looks very, very beautiful, guys. It looks very beautiful. It doesn't look too shouting. It's just the lipstick that really like make it look a bit loud. If not, it's really, really very beautiful, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments. And if you would like to see how I style my hair, I keep natural hair. My hair is natural, and I've never put a relaxer on it. And I loosed it yesterday, and I decided to wash it, and I said, what should I do with this hair if I'm not wearing wig? For a very long time, for years, I've been wearing wig without even carrying my natural hair. So I decided today, I said, okay, why don't I just style it differently? And tell me if you like how I style it, and if you would like to style your hair, or if you would like me to make a video on how I style my natural hair, so I can just make a video and drop it there for you guys. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.